Okay, so like very impromptu video, but I want to use this iPhone, and this iPhone has a completely broken screen. If you look, I turn it on, it is nothing but white light. If you look at this one, I click the power, nothing happens. The main board's dead. I don't know if the screen is also dead. So we're figuring that out. Because, I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I do have to swap the home buttons. So I will have a white screen with a black, home button. You know what I mean. Okay, screwdriver. Okay, so we're removing the two bottom screws. These will be kept. Wow, these are tiny. I forget how tiny these are. My hands look ugly as shit. So I'm going to, after I'm done with this, swap to okay, now we got to pop this thing open. Careful, not, because there's no like point. You just put your finger in there. Just go like, yeah. Just at this point, just rip it off. The only important thing is the home button. And okay. I fixed it. It says use a suction cup, but like these things come off so easily. I have never even considered doing that. On this thing. First thing you want to do is probably, this is 100%, or actually no, it's not an aftermarket screen. You know how I know that? Because it's the panel that's like keeping, okay, well, fuck. Okay. So be very careful with that. Okay. Understood. Okay, so you stay with these guys. So just, I know what you're doing. If this video helps you in any way, I don't know, bro. How? Oh god, there's so much broken glass on the inside of this phone. This is horrible. Wow. I didn't think that much would get inside. And it's like right on the battery. Do I have anything I can wipe this off with? Actually, first, we'll do the responsible thing, and we'll unscrew said battery. We'll unplug the battery. So I just did a check to make sure the battery still functions, and the battery does still function. Are those different length screws? Yes, they fucking are. The short one goes over here. Why wouldn't Apple use different screws? Actually, they would, because if you look at how it is built, okay, there. And then be careful. You can't see half this shit, can you? Yeah, you can't see shit. Well, good luck with that. Okay, come on, I need to get. No, come on, undone. Yeah, let's go, like a little Lego, and then bend your ass back up. Okay, I have to figure out a way to clean up the glass, because, yeah, we want to get the screen off first. Tiny screw, okay, tiny screw, that one, left quadrant. Other tiny one, there, this one. Other tiny one, go there. Other tiny one, go right next door. Oh, that's a long boy. Long boy, go next door. Okay. And then this one, go right there. Now make sure not to drop these, because big boy, oh, that boy is captive. He is kept in there. Okay, so now you couldn't tell I stopped caring about the broken glass. Okay, now there's our first guy. Okay, there's a second guy. Okay, we're almost free. There's a third guy. Just be careful, because there's a little tiny guy. Okay, underneath that guy, another guy. There we go. He's free. He's free. Fuck yeah. Look at that. Bro's gone. Okay. So now, repeat the same thing. Okay, dude one. Okay, do two. Next to dude one. Do three. Underneath dude one. And then do four underneath both of them. And then just move that shit over. And then, actually wait. Before I move that shit over, look at that boy. Yeah, that's my boy. He's really dead. This entire circuit board, I think, is fucking gone, dead. Look how tiny that camera is. Look at that. Fucking minuscule. The camera recording this, like this fucking Osmo, huge in comparison to these two. Oh yeah. Okay, I want to move. Get out of your battery. You're not helpful. Okay, flip these boys around. And then, wow, there's so much broken glass on my desk. I'm gonna vacuum this immediately after. We're unscrewing this one. We put him over there. Just 2 screws for the home button plate. We put him over there near the broken glass. And that one in the middle. And this one away. Yeah, I hit the camera. I'm gonna have to edit so much of this because ADHD moment. After ADHD moment. Okay. Now, I have to use my pick to unplug this. This is such a tiny connector, and I can't damage any there and there because the home buttons are paired on these. It's paired, so I want your home button out. What was holding you in? I think it's just glue at this point. I have to. Oh God, the glass around this button's shattered. This is scary. Oh God. Please don't get glass on me. Okay. I need a thin spudger. Okay. Okay, this one's coming out easier. It's also glued. It looks like it's never been pulled off, which is probably fucking normal for these. Because I can't imagine too many reasons why you'd be swapping the home button other than a screen replacement, which this phone has a stock screen. So, which both of these phones have stock screens. So I can't imagine why it would be like different or anything. This one's like really stuck down. Fucking hell. They like do not want you doing that. Can I flex it? Because it's just fucking broken. Oh God. Broken glass on the floor. Oh God. Yes, I just can flex this because it is that broken. Oh God. This power button, this home button is probably gonna be fucked. If it is fucked, then why is the adhesive so strong on this one? What are the why? Oh God. There's glass everywhere. We got it, boys. By just bending the broken glass, we got it. Let's go. Hopefully the adhesive is good enough on this because I don't feel like re-gluing it. And we'll just use the plate from the original one. Look at that, boys. Look at that. We're doing great. Watch this fucking thing work. Okay, do what Adam Savage taught you and rotate backwards until you hear a click. And then once you hear that click, immediately start going forwards. Adam Savage taught that on his tested YouTube channel, if you didn't know. Okay, so your button is in. Hopefully your button works. But my button does not work. Well. Fuck. Does the black button not work in the white body? Okay. We need to figure this out. It might not. This is a spooky thing. We might have to use the OG home button. Cause like, wait, hang on. Wait. Oh. Hang on. Those look different. Hang on. My neck hurts. They are different. Okay, cool. I will just carry that over then. It's very soft. I don't think it's as happy as it used to be. Can't imagine why. It's like it's in a different color body that actually I think has different thickness. It works well enough. Yeah, it is different. Weird. I wonder if that's because this button is. It shouldn't be different. Whatever. Okay, so now I'm just going to. You're not seeing shit. Okay, plug brother number 1, plug him in, plug brother number 2. I hear it click. Brother number 3, brother number 4, and then we're gonna plug the battery in, and then we're gonna hold the power button. Hang on. Okay. So which one's which? So I don't like how hot that's getting. Okay. Okay. Sorry. You're coming back up. You're not seeing shit. But, yeah! I'm so happy. Okay. Now we just need to stop it from booting. Yeah, I don't know why it's disabled. Okay. It's disabled because I've removed the battery. We're gonna do that again. Sorry, little iPhone, but you're gonna be disabled for longer. Hang on. Goodbye. You're not gonna like this. You don't like this, do you? Okay, so I need to move this back in. Okay, there. And then the screw that's captive is the one that I want to install first, because he is a bitch. He is the bitch that holds everything in. He is always the whole bitch, and I respect him for that. And here's his friend. And here's his tiny friend. I like his tiny friend. He's cute. And he helps the whole team out. Or she. I don't know. I don't gender. I do gender. I just gendered like a lot of shit. Identify as whatever the fuck you want to be. Okay, so broken boy can stay broken over here. And then fuck it, weave all connecting that. And then connect, and then putting this down, because I feel very confident right now. That doesn't feel right. I got that backwards. Hopefully they didn't put anything there that would be catastrophic if you screwed in the wrong screw through the wrong hole. You ever put it in the wrong hole? I haven't, because I've never put it in any hole. But Yeah, well, actually, no, I just fucking did. Watching me fix anything is scary. You're like, do you know what you're doing? The answer is never yes. Okay, let's put this down. It's booting. In my house. The iBattery is booting. Look at him. He's beautiful. Hmm? Did I clean the glass out? No. No, I didn't. Should I go do that? Yeah. Hang on. Kermit the Frog here. I'm back with tape. Here's some tape. Here's how you remove broken glass from a battery that you're, like, very scared of. Okay, so like, you want to be like, here, come down here. Over here. You see that battery? See the glass on it? Holy shit, this works really well. Can you believe that? I just created this method. Also, there's a bunch of dirt and hair now. Ignore that. Also, my volume got really loud. Okay, here's another piece of tape. Get that last bits of glass. Okay, all the glass is removed. We're going to... Yes, you're like right over my shoulder. That's what it's like to be Zach. Psychopath. I do want to transfer the cases, but I don't feel like moving everything over, so we're not doing that. Okay, we grab this guy. We want this shit to stick. Look at that. I'm screwing that shit in. Camera angle for most of this was terrible, but hey. It's not your phone I'm fixing. So what do I do with the other one? I don't want to recycle it. Probably just use it as an art piece, because, like, I don't have... Oh, there's so much broken glass on this table. Fuck! Okay, I don't know the password for this one. Actually, I think I do. The password is probably something. I don't know. But bro, I have an iPhone. Anyways, iPhone work. That make me happy. This camera's really hot. Holy shit. Okay. See, turn on, power in, out, iBattery. That's what happened when the screen broke. I turned it into a portable battery, because, I mean, it still had a great battery in it. So, it became my battery bank. With camera. I mean, like, I can actually just take this all off now. Or do I? Do I want to? Look at that. Look at how, like, there's 2 LEDs in that flash. It is a True Tone flash. They don't do that on modern iPhones. Only the Pro Series gets that. So I can take, like, some sick photos with this thing. I probably have a razor blade somewhere over here, but like, look at that, look at that, look at that. There we go. And then I'm just going to use that to pick up the broken glass on my desk. Self-cleaning. Okay, anyways, hope you had a nice day. I am very excited to play with this. I will figure out the passcode to this thing, because this is my iPhone. If you can tell, it was broken. My sister had the 6S. I had the 6. Okay. Yeah, my battery's red on the camera. I hope you liked watching this. Okay, we're about to die. Bye. Bye. Cool. Peace. Goodbye.